Welcome to JTech Studio. Today we are going to see a Japanese technology which is the need of the hour. Science and technology in Japan is focused and prominent in vehicle technology, consumer electronics, robotics, medical devices and film industry. Now Japan has come with a new mask to fight against COVID-19. This smart face mask can talk to your phone and amplify your voice. The C-Mask smart mask connect to a phone via Bluetooth. A face covering become norm amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Japanese startup Donut Robotics has developed an internet-connected smart mask that can transmit messages and translate from Japanese into 8 other languages. The white plastic C-Mask fit over standard face mask and connect via Bluetooth to a smartphone and tablet application that can transcribe speech into a text message, make calls, or amplify the mask wearer's voice. We worked hard for years to develop a robot, and we have used that technology to create a product that responds to how the coronavirus has reshaped society, said by Donut Robotics Chief Executive Teiseku Ono. Face masks are here to stay for the foreseeable future as the world continues to battle the coronavirus pandemic. Japanese startup Donut Robotics has developed a way to turn the coronavirus face mask into the latest tech gadgets. The C-Mask isn't meant to be worn alone. You place the device over the top of your regular face mask. A Bluetooth connection to your phone lets you dictate messages or make calls. The system can also translate speech into different languages, a feature it's already developed for Cinnamon Robot. The translation feature will require a subscription. Donut Robotics engineers came with the idea for the mask as they searched for the product to help companies survive the pandemic. When coronavirus struck, it has secured a contract to supply robot guides and translators to Tokyo's Haneda Airport, a product that faces an uncertain future after the collapse of air travel. Another intriguing feature is the ability to send your voice out from your phone. It can be hard to hear people talking from under their face mask, so this digital loudspeaker concept could come in handy in classrooms or meeting rooms where you have to stay at the distance from the people you are talking to. Donut will open up pre-orders for Japanese at the price around $40. The company expects to ship the mask later this year. Customers in other parts of the world will have to wait till end of this year. The face masks are necessary, but they can be inconvenient when it comes to use our smartphones as normal. Perhaps the C-Mask could cut down the number of people pulling their face mask to talk on their phone. Donut Robotics are planning to generate their revenue from the subscriber services offered via an app that users will be downloaded. Donut Robotics built a prototype connected mask within a month by adapting translation software developed for its robot, and mask design that was one of its company engineers created 4 years ago for a student project to interrupt speech by mapping face muscles. They raised initial target of 7 million yen within 3 minutes and stopped after 37 minutes when they had reached 28 million yen. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.